Groove.ai review, exploring the versatility. Are you tired of spending countless hours creating content that doesn't meet your expectations? Do you want to revolutionize the way you approach content creation and development? Look no further than Groove.ai, the cutting-edge AI-powered content generation platform that offers versatile solutions for various domains, including video and multimedia. One of the most significant advantages of using Groove.ai is the time it saves you. Creating engaging, high-quality content takes a lot of time and effort, and it's not always easy to do it yourself. With Groove.ai, you can generate video and multimedia content in a fraction of the time it would take to do it manually. Let's take a closer look at how Groove.ai can help businesses in different industries. Real estate industry. In the real estate industry, generating virtual tours of properties is crucial for showcasing available properties to potential buyers. Groove.ai advanced AI algorithms enable users to create visually appealing and relevant video content that aligns with the user's requirements, saving time and resources in the video creation process. By providing a few text prompts, such as the location and features of the property, Groove.ai can generate a visually appealing video that showcases the property's unique qualities. Marketing industry. For marketers, creating high-quality content that engages their target audience and drives conversions is essential. Groove.ai customizable solutions allow marketers to tailor their content to their specific needs, ensuring that the generated content aligns with their vision and goals. By providing a few text prompts that reflect the brand's style and tone, Groove.ai can generate a video that resonates with the target audience and drives conversions. E-commerce industry. In the e-commerce industry, creating engaging product videos that showcase the features and benefits of a product is crucial for driving sales. Groove.ai AI-driven video generation capabilities allow users to create product videos with ease. By providing a few text prompts that highlight the product's features and benefits, Groove.ai can generate a visually appealing video that showcases the product in the best possible light. Advantages of Groove.ai versatile solutions. In addition to time savings and customization options, Groove.ai versatile solutions offer a multitude of benefits for users across various domains. Cost efficiency. By eliminating the need for additional resources, such as hiring professional video editors, composers, or developers, Groove.ai helps users save money while still achieving high-quality results. Improved productivity. With Groove.ai versatile solutions, users can tackle multiple aspects of a project simultaneously, boosting overall productivity and efficiency. Quality output. Groove.ai advanced AI algorithms ensure that the generated content is visually appealing and relevant, making it easy for users to achieve the level of quality they want without any prior experience. Consistency. Creating content on a regular basis is essential for building brand recognition and loyalty. Groove.ai AI-driven capabilities enable users to generate content on a regular basis, ensuring that their brand is always present and engaging with their audience. Avoiding pain points. Groove.ai eliminates the common pain points that businesses face when it comes to content creation, such as cost, time, quality, and consistency. With Groove.ai, businesses can focus on other aspects of their operations while still generating high-quality content that engages their audience and drives conversions. Moreover, Groove.ai AI-powered solutions also provide significant advantages for content distribution. With the rise of social media and other digital channels, businesses need to create content that is easily shareable and accessible across different platforms. Groove.ai versatile solutions enable users to create content in different formats that are optimized for different channels, ensuring that their content is easily shareable and accessible across different platforms. For example, a marketer could use Groove.ai to create a series of short videos that are optimized for social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. These videos could feature different aspects of the product or service and be designed to generate interest and drive conversions. In addition to video content, Groove.ai AI-driven algorithms can also generate other types of multimedia content, such as images and graphics. By providing a few text prompts, Groove.ai can generate visually stunning images and graphics that are optimized for different platforms and channels. Finally, Groove.ai AI-powered solutions can also help businesses stay ahead of the curve when it comes to emerging technologies such as virtual and augmented reality. By leveraging its advanced AI algorithms, Groove.ai can generate virtual and augmented reality content that allows businesses to offer immersive experiences to their audience. This is particularly relevant in industries such as real estate, travel, and hospitality, where offering immersive experiences can significantly enhance the customer experience. In conclusion, Groove.ai is a game-changing content creation tool that offers innovative AI-driven solutions for video and multimedia generation. TS advanced capabilities allow businesses to save time, resources, and effort while achieving high-quality results tailored to their specific needs. By eliminating common pain points associated with content creation and distribution, Groove.ai empowers businesses to focus on other aspects of their operations, while still generating high-quality content that engages their audience and drives conversions. With Groove.ai, businesses can stay ahead of the curve and leverage emerging technologies to offer immersive experiences to their audience. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, not using a tool like Groove.ai can mean losing out on opportunities to engage with your audience and drive conversions.